we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back?
Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is one of the most requested video on my channel, and that is room tour. So I have finally filmed it and I hope you guys like it. And I don't know if I have missed any portion or anything, but I think I did catch every area of my room, and I hope you guys like it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. And yeah, so finally I decided to do a room tour, and this is what you see when you enter the room. So the first thing that you see is my desk. So this is the overview of the desk. Now I'll show you what's on it. Here I have the book that I'm currently reading and my journal on this side, and here I kept a water bottle because usually this is not the water bottle I keep, but today this is what it is. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. And over here I have some pencil, I mean, what do you call this, like a stand. This is, I got this from Journal Say, and I have kept all the pens and highlighters that I have. And there is this mini teddy bear along with this. These were like freebies from Stationery Pal. And over here I keep some miscellaneous things because there is no other place to keep them, so I have all of them at one place. And over here I have the mouse that I'm using, and here I keep my laptop and also this keyboard. A lot of you guys asked me where this is from. This is from UNZ keyboard. You can go check them out. I'll provide a link in the description if you want to. And over this side I have this dustbin from Miniso, and this timer is actually from Amazon. I don't know if I can find the link of it. I will try to find it if I can. And again, this candle is also from Amazon. Yeah. So over here I have this thing. I think I got it from Journal Say, and I keep my tripod here, and also some books, sticky notes, hand gel, and also this thing for the computer, and also a hand cream. These things are again miscellaneous things that I keep because I don't know where else to keep them. And over here I have two notebooks, my pencil box, and a highlighter. Also I have my iPad over here, and I have decorated the wall using I think a wall decor kit from Journal Say. Used some of the wall decor over here as well. To my table I have this thing that I got from IKEA, I guess. Yeah. So over here I store all of my stationeries. On the first thing we have, like, I don't even know, so many stationeries. I'm probably gonna give them to my sister. And here I have washi tapes of all kinds, and over here I have some paints and stuff like watercolor and stamp, more memo notes and stuff like that. And underneath I keep miscellaneous things. This is a box that I have, and yeah, you probably can't see anything. I am so awkward doing this. So this is the overview of the desk. Okay, over here I have some books that I don't know what to do with, and over here I have again some miscellaneous things like some notebooks, a planner, green tea, I don't know why that is, and behind that I have a pouch and a burned out candle. And over in this drawer I have things like extra glasses, like some headset and stuff like that. So that's what it is. And also under the table I have dustbin where all the toxic people goes into. So this is the desk area. To my desk I have this nightstand. I custom made all of these furnitures from a local furniture store. I just showed them a picture of these things on Pinterest and they just did that, and I told them I want it in white. So that's basically that. And on top of here I have a picture of me and my mom when I was young, and a light that doesn't work. My initial I don't know why I kept it. It looks pretty, that's why I have kept it. And I have a sleep zipper from Miniso, which is actually, I broke it, so now it is a decor piece. And this lamp, I got it from the same local furniture store that I got all the other furnitures from. Let me turn it on. Oh, this is how it looks. It was my dream to own a lamp like this. So truly this whole entire room, completing decorating it, was a dream come true for me. Right next to my nightstand I have my bed. So this is the bed, and I'll show it later. And on top of it I have again used my old decor things on top of there. And also this is the window, decorated with some veins. I don't know, I got it from Amazon. All the veins are from Amazon. I was just experimenting with decoration. On my bed I have these two, Hugsy and Panda. Both of them are from Miniso. Most of the things that you see here is from Miniso and Amazon. So this is the overview of the bed. Yeah, it's a bit dirty, I know, but straight from my bed you can see this wall hang thingy that I got from Amazon again. And I have kept all the books that I've read. So these are the books. And again, this candle was a combo with the other candle from Amazon. And I have twinkle lights, but that is not working. I need to change the battery. So yeah, moving on from the bed, I have this, what do you call this, hanger thing? I don't know. So over here I have suitcase because I don't know where to keep them, and currently I'm packing for college, so we have things like that. Over here I have kept all the tote bags that I own, which are probably very dirty, and some clothes, just for the sake of, you know, as a decor piece, a trench coat and this nice glittery shirt. So this is the thing. And underneath over here I have some boxes and stuff like that. And again, I love collecting these type of boxes for some reason. I never throw away boxes, guys. I don't, you can probably see it. And also I have this Sephora packet. I don't know why, that was my first time going to Sephora, so I was like, I need to keep the package. Like, yeah, it's I keep package, okay? I don't throw them away unless they're less important to me. So yeah. And over here I have again some packages from brands, okay? So I did not open them yet, so they're just there. And over this side I have my dresser. Also you can call it as my vanity because I keep the things. And on top of here I have kept all of my skincare things over here, in this little cater. Then I have a candle which I always lit up, and then there's this mirror, and behind that I have a keyboard from Yunze. I used it as a decor piece because it's like a vintage old typewriter kind of thing, so I just kept it like that. Then there is this mirror. Here I have some jewelry. I got this thing from Amazon where I keep all of my jewelries. Then I have this jewelry, I don't know why. Then there are some sunglasses, and underneath it there is again some jewelries. And here I store all the makeup brushes that I have, and there's this perfume. And over this side I have all the things that I use on a like daily basis, things that are necessary. So those are like products. It has 3 compartments, and I'll show you guys the first one because that's the first two. The last one is disgusting. So over here I have some bath products, makeup, hair, and some miscellaneous things like that. So that's what is in the first drawer. And second drawer I have kept my good clothes. I don't know, these are like new. I have kept some jeans, all of my shawls, then some clothes. Yeah, that's it. And that is like a disaster. We're not gonna go over there. And here is like the reading corner, coffee corner. I have a yoga mat where I don't do yoga, guys. I don't know, there is just that's there. And over here I have this tiny thing where I kept decorated with coffee because I love coffee and my space should speak about me, so I have that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also I am planning to do a Q&A video soon. So if you have any questions, I know you have tons of questions related to so many things, my college update, my boards results. I know there is a lot. So if you have any questions, it could be related to anything, you can just comment down below. And not my next video, I will do a Q&A video soon, so make sure to leave your comments and I will make sure to answer all of them. So you can also ask me on Instagram as well. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.